Hello, students. Welcome to the week of May 25th. We are going to continue on through the water cycle. We've only got about, I think, 4 lessons left until we are finishing that up. This week, we're going to move on to the next section in TCI in the water cycle. And I'm going to include with your assignment page in Google Classroom a link to the Google Drive with the water cycle TCI reading. So it has the entire section of reading from TCI. If you would prefer to just access that and look at it like a textbook, or have that as a resource to go back and look at. So in that way too, you don't have to change websites or change gears at all. You'll be able to completely work out of your Google Classroom without changing to a different place. I've been seeing a lot of really good hard work. Seems like maybe the slides assignment where you're doing your own editing of how the water cycle works in your mind, where you pick those 5 things and add them to the circles. Seems like maybe people are having a little bit of a hard time with that. So if you need help, please email me and I'll see if I can help you through that. But aside from that, you guys are doing really well. I'm trying to add comments to your Gmail, to your assignments, so hopefully you're actually seeing those. A couple of you have replied back to me, but not everybody. So I'm hoping you're seeing those, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and your families are well, and that we've got some really good weather coming up here after we get past the weekend, and hope you guys get out and enjoy it a bit safely with social distancing. um, Wish I could see all of your faces. Miss you guys all, and hope you have a great week. Bye bye.